Hope you guys can hear me. Honestly, I just need to buy a mic. Like, the mic on the camera sucks. Like, it's not the greatest. So today I'm just showing you how I did my box braids about a month ago. I used that Bibba hair number 2. I bought some little beads for it, some gems. I used a little rat tail comb, a little fake meow demon, a wide tooth comb, and a boar bristle brush. So starting off, this side of my hair I'd already moisturized and twisted up, and that's what I was pretty much doing to the other side. So yeah, I make sure to use a wide tooth comb first, then I use that demon. I used the boar bristle brush after that just to smooth it all out. And then I started twisting it back up basically. And if you notice, I separated my perimeter out from the rest of the hair just because my perimeter usually breaks off the most. After I'm done twisting it, I pretty much just keep twisting it until it goes into a bantu knot. Stretched your hair is for the bantu knot. Not the bantu knots. The more stretched your hair is for the box braids, the better. It lasts much longer, in my opinion. I'm just showing you how I stretched the hair and separated it. This clip, I'm just sectioning off my hair. I apply shea butter to my own hair as well as the extensions, and this is like the 3rd day on my head. I comb it out, make sure it's detangled. I separated 1/3 in one hand and 2/3 in the other, looping around the 1/3 as one braid. This is me braiding the extensions to my hair. So I've got down pretty far, and when I get to the point where it's like tugging on my hair, I usually just put it in my mouth like that and keep on braiding down. So this is the 4th day, and I'm like maybe 1/3 done with my head. The top of my head took the longest, but I'm just doing the same stuff, just braiding it down. Actually, I was trying to just braid around my perimeter because I had to go back to work the next day, and that's why my hair took me a few weeks.
With him? I guess I'll never really know.
20 something, I think it might be the